two of India's biggest talents, Pragnananda and Raunak Sadhwani, were pitted against each other.
Let's turn our attention now to D. Gukesh, the world champion, secured a historic victory in the 6th round of Norway chess, defeating former world champion Magnus Carlsen.
Magnus's slam toppled his king, while Gukesh's remained upright, a symbolic reflection of how the game had gone.
The kinds of skills and learning strategies to effectively learn math also carry over to effectively learning chess.
Relation between chess and mathematics. Chess is a hidden math teacher. Do you know your child is secretly learning mathematics every time they play chess? Yes, chess teaches more math than most textbooks. Young chess stars like Gukesh, Pragnananda and Raunak Sadhwani sharpen their math skills through the same logic and pattern-based thinking they use in chess. An article published on ResearchGate says that chess and mathematics are deeply connected, and learning both can transform how your child thinks. In this video, let us understand three things. 1. How chess and mathematics are related with real-time examples. 2. Why chess improves mathematical thinking. And 3. How Vedic maths can enhance these abilities even more. Chess is not just a game, it's a thinking tool. And mathematics is not just about numbers, it's a language of logic. Together, they build a smarter, sharper, and more confident mind. Hi everyone, I'm Mamta Rupesh, your Vedic Maths teacher. Welcome to the video on Chess plus Math, a powerful combination for students, parents, and teachers. Before getting into this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our social media platforms, and do support us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Spotify, and YouTube. And we are also having a WhatsApp community, so do check that, and please parents, teachers and students do follow it, and also the links are given in the description. Now, the first one, what is the relation between chess and mathematics? An article published in Chess in Education says that chess may look like a board game with pieces, but it is actually a mathematical system. Just like maths, chess is also built on logic, structure, rules, patterns, problem solving, calculations, and creativity. Both require the child to think step by step, predict outcomes, and make decisions based on reasoning. For example, let's see a few of the youngest and most recent chess champions from India who've made big headlines over the last few years. First one, Gukesh Damaraju. In 2024, Gukesh became the youngest world chess champion and claimed the title at just 18 years old. Earlier, on 15th January 2019, he became a grandmaster at just 12 years, 7 months and 17 days, making him one of the youngest grandmasters ever in chess history. Second, Ramesh Babu Pragnananda, popularly known as Pragnananda, is one of India's top young grandmasters and remains among the world's leading junior players. He made headlines by reaching the final of the 2023 World Cup and remains a rising star. Third, Raunak Sadhwani became a grandmaster in 2020 when he was just around 14 to 15 years old, making his among the youngest Indian grandmasters. Now, there is a question running in your mind, whether chess impacted the studies or not. I know, because I am also a parent of a 6-year-old kid. To answer your question, here's the quote by Henri Poincaré, who is a French mathematician, physicist, and astronomer. He says, every good mathematician should also be a good chess player and vice versa. Remember, chess did not harm their academic performance, especially in mathematics. In fact, it often helped them. Many young Indian chess prodigies have above average academic performance because chess trains the brain to think deeply. And now, let's understand why chess improves mathematical thinking. Chess develops working memory, which is the engine behind multi-step math problems. Working memory, the ability to hold multiple ideas in the mind at once. In math, this is essential for long multiplications, multi-step equations, word problems, and also mental math calculations. Just like the Olympiad builds a child's mathematical mindset, chess builds the same set of skills, but in a fun, playful way. Check out our full video on everything you should know about the Olympiads. To know what an Olympiad is, who can participate, how to participate, etc. The link is given in the description. And now, let's talk about something very, very important. Now, the third part, how Vedic maths fits in. Let's understand chess and Vedic math, a perfect pair for Olympiads. Just like chess develops strategy and sharp thinking, Vedic maths builds mental speed, accuracy, and confidence. Together, they create a powerful learning system that strengthens both logical and numerical intelligence. Vedic maths helps children to calculate faster and also mentally, reduce silly mistakes, multiply big numbers faster, find squares and cubes instantly, saves your time during exams, and also improves overall mathematical confidence. If your child is preparing for national and international Olympiads such as SOF, IMO or IMO, and also for any competitive exams like JEE, NEET, NTSC, CAT, UPSC, etc., then chess plus Vedic maths gives them analytical ability, focus, faster thinking, accurate calculations, and better problem solving. This is the foundation of exam excellence. If your child loves chess, encourage mathematics. If your child loves mathematics, encourage chess. Both will sharpen their mind like never before. If you want to strengthen your child's math foundation, then quickly check out our 40-day live Vedic math program, which is designed for students from grade 3 to 12, and Vedic math bundle kit, which helps students to learn Vedic maths at your own pace. The link is provided in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Vedic maths to stay connected. Comment quickly yes if you want me to speak on brain development, math strategies, and learning. And see you all in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.